How to solve Faceit anti-cheat error problem in Windows 11. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Faceit anti-cheat errors in your Windows 10 or 11. First, you need to right-click on the Windows icon, which will be in the taskbar right here. And then you need to go with Install Apps or Apps and Features from the menu. Now, in the search bar, which will be in the top, you need to choose or you need to type Faceit and hit the enter. Once you find the Faceit application, you need to right-click on the three dots or just simply click on the three dots on the right side, and then you need to go with Uninstall and uninstall the Faceit application. It might take a few minutes, or the other way is to delete the leftover files. So you need to close this and then click on the Windows again, right click on it, and then you'll find the run option. Click on run, you'll get this kind of interface, and here you need to type, which is percentage local app data and then percentage. After that, hit the OK or enter, then a new folder will show up. We need to find the Faceit. Just simply press on the F button. Just click on any file here and then press F. This will take you to the F kind of interface. And if you have the Faceit folder, we need to just right click on it and then simply delete everything that you have on your Faceit. This will delete any leftover files that the installation did not delete in your PC. Once done, you can close and you may choose to restart your PC if you want. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll have successfully fixed the anti-cheat error problem in your Windows 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.